Right. So today also we'll see the minimizations. So today and tomorrow, most probably today and tomorrow, we'll see the minimizations using this Boolean loss. Okay. So we have to simplify the following expression. So you can see my screen, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So no issues with my audio. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So we have to minimize this equation. So last class we have seen one equation and we'll minimize this equation. So we'll follow the rules. I'll just go on doing this. So what we can do here is, so this is the expression here. So using the Boolean loss, we have to minimize the equations, right? And here what I can take here is CD bar as common. So if I take CD bar as common, what I'll get here is AB plus 1, okay, plus okay, okay. So we'll get this expression here. So anything plus 1, okay. So anything plus 1 will be equal to 1. So we'll get it as a CD bar into 1 plus A bar BCD, okay. And again I can take this C as common here, okay. So C as common, what I'll get here is, so D bar plus A bar BD, okay. And this can be written as x plus x bar y, x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. So that is using De Morgan's law, because it is equal to x plus y z is equal to x plus y into x plus z. So the shortcut of this is x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. Okay, so here x is D bar and so y is A bar B. Okay, so y is nothing but A bar B. So this is equal to C into, so this is D bar plus, so x plus y, right? So this is x here, so D bar is x and D is x bar and this is y here, so x plus y. So this is A bar B is y here, so A bar B, okay, so that is equal to y. So there is a simplification of this expression here, okay. Here
Yes,
just
sir.
take the simplifications when you practice more. Emma, so any notes, let me know, because these simplifications follow this theorems here. So you may get the different answers, but you follow some method here. So we'll see the simplifications in the next part of the unit. So where the simplifications will follow some standard rules. Okay, so there the simplifications will be very easy, but here we have to use the rules of the simplification using the Boolean laws here. Okay, yeah, just last like simplify the following expression using Boolean laws, or simplify the following expressions and any expressions, you have to follow these methods here. Okay, so this is the first one. Now we'll go for the second one here. Okay, so just what we'll do, this expression here, so we'll multiply these two. So first of all, multiply these two expressions here, then we'll see. Okay, so there's AB bar, so A into because so this A into A bar, so will be 0. Okay, so even though we'll write, so why, to avoid confusion, so A into A bar plus A into B bar plus A into D plus B bar into A bar, that is A bar B bar plus B bar into B bar. B bar into B bar is B bar. Okay, so plus B bar into D. B bar into B. Okay, and this will be followed by this expression. and here a bar into a is 0. It's a 0 plus. So what we get here is ab bar. Okay, ab bar plus a bar b bar. Sorry, plus a bar b bar. Okay, plus b bar into b bar is b bar. Okay, so b bar into b bar is b bar plus b bar b. B bar b, and one more thing is like ad plus ad. Okay, into this value. Okay, so here I can take b bar as common here. So for all these terms here, so I can take b bar as common. Okay, plus ad. So that is equal to, if I take b bar as common. Okay, so if I take b bar as common here. Okay, so I'll get a plus a bar a plus a bar plus 1 plus d. Okay, plus ad okay into this one. So 1 plus anything is 1 plus anything is 1.
One, sir.
Okay, so here we'll get so b bar into 1 plus ad multiplied by this one. Okay, yes, I'm prolonging it, but just always prefer the shortcuts, because you know, many of the people are not attending the classes. I'm elaborating this, but it will take a lot of time, but it's okay. But mere fast JCC, so don't go for step by step here. So just go for the fast simplification, right? So now I'll get b bar plus ad multiplied by this one. So if I multiply this, what I'll get here, so b bar into b bar is a b bar. Okay, so b bar into b bar is b bar plus b bar c, b bar sorry, so b bar c. I'm just using calculators here. You can use any of the letters. So at least that no, it's not case sensitive. So next up b bar c plus b bar b bar. Okay, so b bar c plus b bar d bar plus multiply all this a d b here. So a b bar b here plus a c d plus a d into d bar. So d into d bar is 0. A d into d bar. So d into d bar is a 0. So d into d bar will be equal to 0 here. So I'll put at 0 there, because a d into d bar will be equal to 0. Okay. So then it is equal to, so take b bar common here. Okay. I can take b bar is common for most of the terms. Okay. So b bar common is mostly. So 1 plus c plus, okay, d bar okay, and ad. Okay, so plus the value of ACD, plus the value of ACD. So anything plus 1 will be equal to 1 here. So we'll get b bar into 1 plus ACD. So the final value will be equal to, so b bar plus ACD. So this is the simplified value. Okay, so this is how we'll follow here. Okay, so the practice more problems on this because you don't know where to use this laws and we practice but okay. So these are two simplifications, simple, the medium size simplifications. Next we'll see the further simplifications which are simple. Okay, so we'll understand those simplifications which are simple here. Okay, so what is this answer here? So xy plus xy bar. So take x as common here. So y plus. ముందు నోట్ చేసుకున్నారా ఇది? Do you note this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
22 people, fine. Okay, and next we'll see this, the xy plus xy bar. Okay, so take x common. So y plus y bar is equal to 1. Okay, so that is equal to, so x into, so y plus y bar is equal to 1. So that is equal to x here. Okay, so that is the first one, simplification. And next we'll go for the second simplification. So x plus y into x plus y bar. So using this De Morgan's law, so x plus y into x plus z. So what is x plus y into x plus z? This is x plus yz. Okay, so x plus yz. So y is y only, so z is y bar, y into y bar. Okay, so this is using De Morgan's not De Morgan's, distributive law. So x plus y into x plus z. So x plus y into x plus z is equal to x plus yz. Okay, x plus yz.
Plus
So here,
yz.
yeah, x plus 0. So we get a value of x there. Okay, this is the second one. So these are the simple ones, just to make sure that you are understanding the, to repeat this postulates of this Boolean algebra. So postulates gani, normal simplifications gani. So do more and more, so you'll understand the concepts. Okay, and this one xyz plus x bar y plus xyz bar. So I think okay, so no theorem can be applied here. So just we will take anything common here. So I think xy is common in the two cases here. Okay. So z plus z bar, okay, plus x bar y. Okay, so z plus z bar. So what is z plus z bar is equal to 1. So xy into 1 plus x bar y. Okay, so that is equal to xy plus x bar y. Okay, so this I can write it as token array. So xy plus x bar y. So this is using the distributive. Okay, using the distributive I am right to, so xy plus x bar y is nothing but xy bar is nothing but x plus y into x plus z. So xy plus xz. So xy plus xz is equal to, so what I can write here, x plus
Sir,
adena correct na?
why don't you, sir, why ni common ga ఎందుకు తీయకూడదు sir? Why is common?
Yeah, sorry. The simple technique, no? Yeah, sorry. The simplifications, simplifications, we can't judge. Sometimes you want to apply these formulas and kuntam. So this is simple. Yeah, sorry. So x plus x bar, so that is equal to, so y into 1. Okay, so y into 1, that is equal to y. Okay, so thank you, and yeah. So next problem. This is a plus b whole bar. Okay, so De Morgan's law. What is the De Morgan's law? A plus b whole bar is equal to a bar into b bar. So this is a bar into b bar into a bar plus b bar. A bar plus okay. So a bar plus b bar. So how to write this? So how can I write a bar plus? So actually, this is the problem here. The problem is so a plus b whole bar and a bar plus b bar whole bar. So there is a problem here. Okay. So using the De Morgan's law, so a plus b whole bar will be equal to a plus b whole bar is equal to a bar into b bar. So already we have a complement for this. So I can write this as so a bar b bar into so a plus b whole bar is nothing but a bar into b bar. So already we have a bar here, so we get a here, and already we have b bar, we get a b here. So a into a bar will be 0 and b into b bar will be equal to 0. Right? So this is the 0 answer for the simplification. Okay, and the next one. Okay, so this is a simplification. So we can take the common terms here. We can take the common terms as xy. Okay, so xy into z plus z bar.
Z bar.
Okay, so because xy is common for this one and this one, and x bar y is common for this one and this one. Okay, so plus x bar y is taken as common, and we can take it as z plus z bar. Okay, so z plus z bar is equal to 1. So we'll get this as xy plus x bar
Bar.
y and take y as common here. Okay, so if I take y as common, it is again x plus x bar. So that is equal to y. So y is the answer. Okay, so y is the answer for this simplification. So these are the simple ones. Okay, let's really go for the next one. Okay, so first multiply these operations. So expand this one. So expand ini. So tarvata we'll see what we can do. Right. So the expansion will be like this. So x into x bar will be equal to 0. X into y bar. Okay, so we'll get like this. That is equal to x into y bar plus x into z plus x bar into so y into x bar, that is x bar into y. So y is it plus x bar z bar plus y bar z bar. Okay. So z into z bars will be 0. So y into y bar will be 0 and x into x bar will be 0. Okay. So now what I'll do here is I'll arrange it's actually this method. So this thing involves consensus theorem. Okay. The statement of consensus theorem. So I'll explain the consensus theorem. So what we studied in the last classes, simplification of the consensus theorem here. Okay. So using consensus theorem, so what I can I'll segregate the things like this. So using consensus theorem states this. Is xy plus x bar z plus so yz will be equal to xy plus x bar z. So this is consensus theorem. So we had studied the simplification earlier. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll segregate this according to the consensus theorem. Okay. So what I can write here is xy bar. Okay. Plus x bar z bar plus y bar z bar. Okay, I can take this as one part of consensus theorem here. Okay, so plus another section will be xz. So we will see how to work this in terms of the consensus theorem. X bar y plus yz. Okay, so these two can be minimized with the help of the consensus theorem here. So consensus theorem states this. So is equal to xy plus x bar y plus yz is equal to xy plus x bar z here. Okay, so here we have xy bar. Okay, so y plays low, so y bar only, and we have x bar z bar only. Okay, we have x bar z bar, and here we have x bar z only, but here we have x bar z bar, and here we have yz, and here we have yz y bar z bar. So what is the output we have to get here? So it is xy plus x bar z. Okay, so what is the thing we'll get here is, so this is common xy term, this is xy bar is common here. Okay, so xy bar is, and there we have xy, and here we have xy bar. Okay, so I'm arranging the things like this. Okay, and x bar z. So plus this y bar z bar will be removed in terms of the simplification. Okay, so I'll get the values of x. Here it is x bar z, and here it is x bar z bar. So using this consensus theorem, so you can go for the simplification. So earlier class we have seen the simplification of the consensus theorem. So you can check that also. Okay, so this is one simplification. Another simplification. So here we can go like this. So we have yz is common. Okay, so yz is common, and here we have z in place of y here, and y in place of z here. Okay, so ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ కంపేర్ చేయండి. సో ఈక్వేషన్ తో, so I have xz here, but I have xy here, and you have x bar z here, and you have x bar y. So these two are interchanged. Okay, and yz is common here. Okay, so simplification, we can remove this z plus x bar y. So this yz will be minimized there. Okay, xz plus x bar y. So there is the simplification of this equation here. Okay, the final simplification is, so remove this brackets here. Okay. The simplification, this total simplification is based on the consensus theorem. Okay, so what is consensus theorem? It is a simplification like this. We have proved the consensus theorem also. You can check that. Okay, so తెలుసా నోట్ చేసుకున్నారు అది కాన్సెన్సస్ థియరం ది?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I've noted that, or else I'll show. I think you have noted that, so I can check that proof of the consensus theorem also. We have checked the duality of the consensus theorem also. Duality could check చేసాము. Okay, so this is the simplification of the consensus theorem, and this is the final, this one here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next, the simplification is this one. Okay, and here I can take. So these are the simple problems. Next, we'll go for the complex levels also, because I want you to brush up each and everything. So each and every concept that you to choose many problems. So these are the exercise problems. Okay, so I'll solve each and every problem, and you to practice each and every problem. Okay, so I can take the exercise common here. So when I take exercise common, y plus y bar plus, so x bar y. Okay, so that is equal to x into x plus x bar y. So x plus x bar y is equal to x. We already know that x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. Okay, so x plus y, x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. So that is, we already seen the proof of this. Okay, so we got x plus x bar y, and x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. So that's it. Okay, and recording out here. Yeah. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, we'll see the further simplifications. So these are the simple ones. Okay, and we'll see more number of simplifications. Yeah, take down this. Simplify the following Boolean expressions to indicated number of literals. Sometimes you'll be asked like this. So we'll be given expression. So simplify that expression into two literals. So totally I need only two variables. Like if I have A, B, C, D plus A, D, C, something, if I want that to be simplified to a single literal anante, so only there should be one variable like A gani, B gani, C gani, D gani, edo okati undali. Okay. A similar way, so it'll be sometimes given like this. Okay. So we'll take the first problem, you'll understand it. So A bar, C bar. Plus ABC plus AC bar plus AB bar into two literals. So total output should be whatever the output we get. So it will be there should be A, B or AB or AC or AD or so different combinations. So only two variables, I mean two literals should be there. Okay. So there should not be one literal should be eliminated. So one among the A and B and C and okay. So the expression should be memorized like that. Okay. So here what I can take here, so I can take C bar as common here. Okay. So C bar common these days, so I can get this value. So always check the simplifications. The first common తీసుకునే thought తీసుకోండి తర్వాత apply this postulates or apply the theorems. Okay. So what are the possible ways? Can check. Okay, so if I take C bar as common here, so this will be the equation here, and C bar plus ABC plus AB bar. Okay, C bar plus, sorry, it's not ADC, it's ABC plus AB bar. Okay, and so C bar plus ABC. So what I can write this C bar plus ABC here. So X plus X bar Y. Okay, so we can use X plus X bar Y is equal to X plus Y. Okay, I can use this C bar as X here. Okay, and X bar as C, and this is Y here. Okay, AB is Y. Okay, so that is equal to C bar plus AB, that is X plus Y, that is X and this is Y here, plus AB bar, okay, plus AB bar. Okay, again I can take A as common there, that is equal to C bar into A as common, this here, sorry, C bar plus A as common and B plus B bar. Okay, so that is equal to C bar plus A here. So that is the final simplification. So we are having only two literals here. So B is minimized here. So the value of B is not there here. Clear?
Yeah.
So literals and variables and it means the same here. Okay. And next we'll see the second one. So take a note of all these and you have to practice them. A bar B, B bar plus CD plus B into A plus A bar CD. Okay, so to one literal. try to simplify this expression into one literal. Okay. Try to simplify this expression into one literal. So you can check here. So a bar b into. So you can see this expression, both expressions here. Okay. So d bar plus cd and only. So this can be written as using this x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. Okay. So use okay. So we can simplify this here. So d bar plus cd is equal to. So this can be this. This is x here, and this is x bar here, and this is y here. So I can write it as x plus y. So x is equal to d bar plus y is equal to c. Okay. So plus so b into. So this is also can be written in the same way. So this is x here, and this is x bar here, and this is y here. So cd is y. Okay. So hence it is a plus cd. Okay. So using this expression. Okay. Again expand this. That is equal to a bar b bar. Okay. So plus a bar b c plus ab plus bcd. Okay. AB plus BCD. So that what I can do here is, so which is common in all these things here. So B is common. You can check there. So B is common in all these things. So you get A bar, B bar plus A bar C plus A plus CD. Okay. And I can again check any possibilities of minimizations here. So check these two. So A plus A bar D bar. Okay. So what I can write here is okay. So this one A plus A bar D bar is x plus x bar y. Okay. X plus I can rewrite like this. Okay. So A plus A bar D is nothing but x plus x bar y. X plus x bar y ante x plus y. So that is equal to A plus D plus A bar C plus CD. So again we have two more here. So A plus A bar C. Okay, I can write here. Okay, so A plus A bar C. So which can be written as okay, so which can be written as so B into A plus A bar C can be written as so A plus C plus D one minute, we lost somewhere. A plus D bar. So we lost somewhere. So A bar, D bar, missenum. So any mistake here? So here it is D bar, right? So A bar, B, D bar, but we are written only D here. So mistake you said, huh? So if I take B as common, okay, so I'll be writing this B common is going to A plus, this is A bar D bar, but I written only D here. So this is A bar D bar here. Okay. So if A plus A bar D bar is A plus D bar. So this is D bar here. Okay. So A plus C plus D bar
plus
plus plus CD. Okay, plus CD. And here again I can check this. So D bar plus CD అయితే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకు? So what is D bar plus, this is can be written as x plus x bar y is equal to, this is x here and this is x bar and this is y. So I can write this as, so B into A plus C plus x bar y, it is nothing but x plus y.
D bar plus
D bar plus C, na?
C.
Yeah, it's nothing but D bar plus C. And here C plus
సార్ అక్కడ ఏ బార్ డి బార్ సార్ పైన
ఎక్కడమా?
అక్కడ మార్చలేదు సార్ పక్క స్టెప్.
So this is A bar D bar. Okay. ఇక్కడ మిస్టేక్ అయింది.
సార్
సో క్లియర్ కదా?
Yeah, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah, this is A plus C we got here, fine. And here D bar is, we got it from, so already we got it from this one. So A plus A bar D nunchi we got A plus D bar. Okay, so that is fine. So this we have taken here. So A plus C plus D bar plus CD. Okay, so we can do it in two ways here. Okay, so ila na cheyochu, or else we can go like this. Okay, so we have A plus D bar. Okay, so already we got this, right? So D bar plus C plus CD. Okay, so x plus xy is, I mean, if I take this as common here, okay, so x plus xy, if I take this as common, C as common, so what happens there? That is equal to, so B into A plus D bar plus, if I take C as common, I'll get it as 1 plus D. Okay, so 1 plus anything is 1. Okay, so 1 plus anything is 1 there. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 1 plus anything is 1. And I'm not getting this. I think there is a mistake in.
సార్ ఇన్ థర్డ్ లైన్ థర్డ్ స్టెప్ సార్ ఏ బార్ డి బార్ సార్ అక్కడ
Third line, third step. So this one.
యూ రోడ్ ఓన్లీ డి బార్ సార్ ఏ బార్ డి బార్.
So one thing. So here A plus A bar D bar kada. So this is simplified to, with the help of this expression. So x plus x bar y is equal to x plus y. So what I'll get here is, so A plus D bar ostundi. So 1 minute. This is expression here. So what I'll get here is A plus, so we will see the simplification once more. Okay, so this I'll get it as A plus D bar. Avuna kada?
ఎస్ సార్.
Sir.
This one. So A plus A bar D bar. So x plus x bar y. So what I'll get here is x plus y. This is x here and this is y. I'll get it as A plus D bar. Right? So avuna kada?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and afterwards I'll be having A bar C plus CD. So we'll go it as slow way. Okay, so ikkada chudandi mari em take chesukochu manam. So what is the other simplification we can do here? So what is the other simplification I can do? So D plus CD, so ఇది చేయొచ్చా లేకుంటే A plus A bar C చేయొచ్చా? So what is the thing I can do?
D bar plus CD, sir.
So D bar plus CD చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకు? So D bar plus C.
D bar plus C వస్తుంది.
Yeah. Okay. So, but there is another complication. I think we can't reduce to one literal. I think there is a problem in this one. So, but let's see what are the possibilities we can see. So we'll see the possibilities here. Okay. So but you have to know the concept here. So b into a plus d bar. Just observe this, d bar plus cd plus a bar c. So a bar c is common here. Okay. So d bar cd x plus x bar y. So I can take this as x plus x bar y. So what I can write here? So b bar into a plus this is d bar plus c. So t bar plus c. And then yeah, this is x here. This is x bar and this is y here. So x plus x bar y is equal to so x plus y. So this is x here and this is y here. So d bar plus c plus a bar c. And then
Yes, sir.
okay. So now it is again b into a plus d bar. Okay. So plus c into c plus ac bar. So what I can do there? So c plus ac bar. So I can, if I take c as common, so 1 plus a bar. So that will be equal to c only. Okay. So we can't reduce to one literal. Maybe there is a problem with your textbook. Okay. So there is the answer. Okay. So just minimize and తీసుకోండి. Minimize చేస్తే ఈ expression వస్తుంది. So we can't reduce it to one literal. So is there any possibility? So please let me know. Then possibility ఉందా?
No, sir. Same answer.
Yeah. So if I take this as common, ఇక్కడ మనం d bar plus cd తీసుకుంటే ఏమొస్తుంది అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ వేరే సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమి ఉండదు. Okay. So this cannot be reduced to one literal. Yeah, sorry. Right. So this is the thing here. So is there any possibility? Please let me know. So but I think it's not possible. Right. I'm not getting any chance here. So if you get any answer, just let me know. So clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if there is any mistake, because there is a possibility of mistakes, sure, but I am not seeing any mistakes in this. So if there is any mistake, please let me know. Okay. So తర్వాత మీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినప్పుడు చూడండి.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
సార్ సీని కామన్
ఎక్కడమా? యా ఇక్కడ సి ని కామన్ తీసినా నీకేమొస్తుంది? సి కామన్ తీస్తే ఏమవుతుంది?
అంటే 1 ప్లస్ ఎనీథింగ్ 1 అవుతుంది సార్.
1 ప్లస్ ఏ బార్ కదా వచ్చేది ఇది కదా, అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు సి కదా. సో ఇట్స్ నాట్ 1 ప్లస్ ఎనీథింగ్ అంటే ఐ హావ్ టు, దీంట్లో సి కామన్ లేదు కదా మనకు. సో ఐ గెట్ యాస్ ఏ ప్లస్ డి బార్ సి ఇంటూ 1 ప్లస్ ఏ బార్. సో 1 ప్లస్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇస్ 1. సో దట్స్ వై విల్ గెట్ ఓన్లీ సి వాల్యూ హియర్. అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
కామన్ తీస్తేనే మనకి సింప్లిఫై అయింది. 1 ప్లస్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఇస్ 1. హెన్స్ సి ఇంటూ 1 ప్లస్ ఏ బార్ ఇస్ 1. సో 1 ప్లస్ ఏ బార్ ఇస్ 1. సో సి ఇంటూ 1 ఇస్ 1. Right? So don't spoil your heads. Like So it happens. So textbook lo konichal mistakes ivachu, no problem, right? So that is the second problem here. So this is the simplification of this. Okay, so if there is any kind of thing, so that may be a mistake from your textbook side, maybe I don't know, because this is the exercise problem. Sometimes we may not get all the exercise problems. Okay, and so we go for the third one, simplification. A bar plus C and A bar C bar and A plus B plus CD. So into 4 literals. I mean, we need 4 variables here. So already we have 4, but fine. So we need the simplification of this. Okay, first multiply these two. Okay, so A bar into A bar is A bar plus A bar into C bar, A bar into C bar, okay, plus A bar C, and the C into C bar is 0. C into C bar is 0, and this into A, B, C, D bar. Okay, next further simplification. So what is the further simplification possible there? I can take A bar as common. Okay, so A bar as common తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది మనకు? A bar is common here, so 1 plus C bar plus C. 1 plus C bar plus C into this value. So 1 plus anything is 1, so that is equal to A bar into A plus B plus C. Okay, and if I expand this, so what I'll get here? So A into A bar will be equal to 0. These two values. So A into A bar. Okay, so multiplying these two. So A bar into A will be 0, and remaining things A will be common. Okay, so A common gaane untundi kabatti, so A bar common gaane untundi kabatti, so A bar B plus C. Okay, so this is the 4 letters. We have A, B, C, D here. Okay, so this is the only term, so that will be simplified here. So A bar into A will be 0, and A bar into B will be there, and A bar into CD will be there. So that, but for the things, this A bar is common. This A bar B plus A bar CD. So this is the answer. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. And the fourth. Yeah. So A B C D plus A bar B D plus A B C bar D plus A bar D. So into 4 literals. Okay, so simplify this into 4 literals here. So here I can take this as common here, so I can take A, B, D as common. Okay, so if I take A, B, D as common, so in this, so రెండిట్లో A, B, D common తీస్తే I'll get it as C plus C bar. Okay, plus here I will take this A bar D as common. So A bar D as common, I'll get B plus 1. Okay, I'll get B plus 1 here. So the answer will be equal to ABD plus A bar D. Okay, ABD plus A bar D here. So both of the cases, D is common here. So D is common, that like AB plus AB plus A bar. Okay, we have four literals A complement, B and D. Okay, so there is a simplification. Clear?
Sir, can we do further simplification, sir?
So how? So A plus A bar be kada?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So fine. Adi cheyochu. But 4 literals ante vastunda 4 literals danto paati. But it's nothing but
3 వస్తుంది సార్.
yeah. So 4 కావాలంటే అక్కడే స్టాప్ చేయాలి మనం. So 3 కావాలంటే 3 చేసుకో.
ఓకే సార్.
We have mentioned with any just simplify ante just go for the maximum thing or else use this one only. Okay, so stop till here if we are required 4 literals, or if I just simplify the expression ante just go for this one also. Clear?
ఓకే సార్.
Okay.
Okay.
So solve చేస్తున్నారా, like you are following, right? So you are noting down this because all the problems are, I mean, note చేసుకోండి, practice చేసుకోండి. Just only don't follow the recordings ఒకటే follow కావద్దండి. Really far better for third year and final year people. So those people, I'm getting like 40s 10, but మీరైతే 23 25 ఫస్ట్ లో 30 అని వచ్చేవాళ్ళు. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు అది కూడా రావట్లేదు. Right? Yeah. So we'll see the next problem. So given, so these are all the exercise problems. So we solve more and more exercise problems. Okay, you'll understand. AB and AB whole bar plus A bar B is equal to C. Okay, so find the value of AC whole bar plus A bar C. Okay, so given the value of C is equal to AB whole bar plus A bar B, so we'll simplify that. Okay, afterwards substitute that C value in the given expression and tell me the final expression. Okay, so here given as C is equal to this expression. Okay, so AB whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So you can write this as A bar plus B bar plus A bar B. Okay, so AB whole bar A bar plus B bar plus A bar B. So if I take A bar as common, okay, if I take A bar as common here, so I can get B plus 1 here. So B plus 1 is 1. Okay, so A bar into A bar is common, I say. So 1 plus B plus B bar, that is equal to, so A bar plus B bar. Okay, so C is equal to A bar plus B bar in simplified version. So C is equal to A bar plus B bar. So now I have to find the value of this. Okay, substitute the value of C here. Okay, so that is so A into, so C is nothing but A bar plus B bar okay, so C is equal to A bar plus B bar and the whole bar for all of this. Take like this. the whole bar for whole of this plus a bar into a bar plus b bar. Okay, so that is equal to, so what I can write here, so a into b whole bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. Okay, that is a bar plus, what is this value? This is b here. This is a bar plus b bar. Plus here a bar into a bar is a bar. Okay, so a bar into a bar is a bar plus a bar b bar. Okay, so a bar plus a bar is obviously a bar plus a bar is a bar only. I'll write only one a bar here. Okay, so plus here we got a bar plus b bar whole bar. So what we get here? So here it is a into b, because a plus b whole bar is equal to a bar into b bar. So already we have a bar plus b bar whole bar is, so a bar whole bar into b bar whole bar, that is will be equal to a into b plus a bar b bar. Clear? And if I take a bar as common here, so what happens here? I take a bar as common, so what happens?
1 plus
So 1 plus b bar
b bar.
plus b bar, that is equal to, so a bar plus ab. So again I can simplify this as, so x plus x bar y, that is equal to x bar plus
B.
okay, so a bar plus b. So that is the final answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you have any class now, as of now? Evanunna inka class lo?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so shall we stop, or shall we see one or two problems more? Yeah, so we'll stop, because so too much of things are also not good in a single day. But what I mean to say here is, so we are very slow. I know that. Okay, but for this is not slow. Okay, but I want you to prepare thoroughly. I want you to learn this subject. Okay, so I am not sure whether you're following and follow till. Okay, but the response is minimum only. So only I can hear only 5 to 6 people. Some people may not be interested to talk, but fine. So whatever the things, so listen to the recordings. So read your textbooks. So follow the classes. Okay, just learn the subject. Okay, so which is very important and very interesting also. Okay, so you'll definitely know that in the future classes. But every class is important. Every class you need to know this. Every class is important. Okay, so you'll understand those things in the future. So like next classes lo class winna వాళ్ళకి difference కనిపిస్తుంది, because if you're not understanding the concepts right now, so you will not be able to understand the next concepts. So whatever the unit, so ఏ unit తీసుకున్నా, each unit is depend on the previous topics only. Okay, I'm really sure about this. Okay, so the class strength is very low, I know, but even though, okay, so I can't tell you like attendance fail chestamu even bhayapettanu, but I want to say this, you are going to definitely miss I mean, if you don't know the subject, you are not doing your BTech. So EC lo ee subject delhi ledu ante asalu మీ EC వాళ్ళే కాదు. I'm really sure that, because many of the interviews they'll ask these basic questions only. Okay, so interviews lo ఇప్పుడు చాలా tough అయింది, but coming to the HR round, so what is your subject? If you mention any subject, so this will be the subject, so where the interviewers will be asking. Okay, because it is common for CSE, it is common for EEE. Okay, it is common for most of the branches here. Okay, so I'll stop it for today and drop your attendance. And yeah, so we'll see tomorrow.